To download this book as paperback, an ebook, click on the link below in the description. By clicking on this link, you can buy this book from Amazon. Jack's Adventure, a journey of discovery and excitement. Dedicated to all the young adventurers out there who dream of exploring the world and discovering its wonders. May this story inspire you to set out on your own journey, to seek out new experiences, and to always keep your sense of wonder and curiosity alive. May you never stop exploring, discovering, and learning. One Jack is about to embark on an exciting adventure, and he can't wait to see what the world has in store for him. He's wearing a backpack and has a determined look on his face. Two Jack is on his way to start his adventure, feeling free and alive. He's whistling a tune and skipping along, filled with excitement and energy. Three Jack is ready to set sail on his adventure and explore the vast open ocean. The sun is shining and the water is calm and still. Four Jack is having a blast, exploring the wonders of the ocean and making new friends. He's surrounded by dolphins, jumping and playing in the water. Five Jack is finding adventure in every corner of the island, uncovering its secrets and beauty. He's exploring every inch of the island with a sense of wonder and awe. Six, a huge bat is the most magnificent creature Jack discovers on this adventure. He approached the bat and spoke to him. The bat is excited to see Jack nearby. Jack was happy when he told him about his adventure. Jack requested Bat to join the journey, but Bat answered, "I had to find food for my kids." Seven Jack is awestruck by the beauty of the world and can't believe the incredible sights he's seen. Eight Jack is having the time of his life, discovering the wonders of the jungle and its creatures. Jack is riding on the back of a majestic elephant, exploring the jungle and observing its many inhabitants. Nine Jack is fascinated by the energy and excitement of the city and is eager to explore more. He's surrounded by monkeys swinging from the trees and tigers and birds. 10. While on an adventure in the jungle, Jack comes across a group of adorable monkeys. He was happy to meet them. Monkey brought him a banana and invited him to eat with them. 11. He stands in the center, looking amazed and delighted as he takes in the sights and sounds of the jungle. A family of lions lounge in the shade, their golden fur shining in the sun. 12. Jack is pleased to see that all of the animals are drinking water together. They are looking like a family in the bush. Every animal is sensitive about other animals. 13. Jack stands in the center of a group of jungle animals. The animals are all gathered around him, looking at him curiously and with a friendly air. 14. Jack stands on the banks of a jungle river, watching in amazement as a group of animals enjoy a leisurely afternoon. In the water, a huge hippopotamus lounges, its massive body half submerged in the cool water. Nearby, a group of ducks swim and splash, their cheerful quacking filling the air. On the bank, a group of animals are gathered, watching the hippo and ducks with interest. 15. Jack is taking a moment to reflect and document all the amazing things he's seen and done on his adventure. He's writing in a journal, reflecting on all the incredible experiences he's had on his journey. 16. Jack is standing on the edge of the cliff, looking out at the ocean with a big smile on his face. He's holding his journal, filled with stories and memories, and looking forward to the next chapter of his adventure. Moral: the adventure in the jungle taught Jack the importance of exploring new places and meeting new people, as well as the value of courage, determination, and friendship. By facing his fears and embracing the unknown, Jack discovered the beauty and diversity of the world around him and learned to appreciate the different perspectives and experiences of others.